Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer MyFord Mobile vehicle connectivity, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin the transfer process for your MyFord Mobile vehicle connectivity, ensure you have your existing account details handy. Open the MyFord Mobile app on your smartphone. Sign in using your current account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Vehicle Management section within the app. Select the vehicle you wish to transfer. At this point, choose the option for transferring vehicle ownership. You will see prompts requesting confirmation of the transfer. Follow these prompts carefully. Next, you may be asked to provide the new owner's information, such as their name and email address. Fill in the required details accurately. After entering the new owner's information, you will receive a confirmation screen. Review the details to make sure everything is correct before proceeding. Once confirmed, the app will transition to a loading screen indicating that the transfer is in progress. You should receive a notification once the transfer is complete. Inform the new owner that they will receive an email to set up their MyFord Mobile account. The new owner needs to follow the instructions in the email to complete the setup process. They will then have full access to the vehicle's connectivity features. Make sure to log out of your account after the transfer is complete. This helps ensure that your personal information is no longer associated with the vehicle. If there are any issues during the process, refer to the app's help section for troubleshooting tips. You have now successfully transferred your MyFord Mobile vehicle connectivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.